Artificial intelligence is changing the world in ways we could have never imagined. It's no longer a futuristic concept confined to science fiction novels or movies. AI is here, and it's impacting every aspect of our lives, from the mundane to the extraordinary. From the way we shop to the way we work, AI is revolutionizing industries and creating incredible opportunities for innovation and efficiency. Understanding AI is no longer optional. It's essential for anyone who wants to thrive in the 21st century. This knowledge is becoming a fundamental skill, much like reading or writing. Think about the apps you use every day, from social media to navigation. Many of them are powered by AI, enhancing user experience and functionality. Recommendation systems suggest products and movies you might like, making your choices more personalized and convenient. AI algorithms filter spam emails and detect fraudulent transactions, keeping your digital life secure. We are interacting with AI more than we realize, and its influence will only grow stronger in the years to come, shaping our future in profound ways. This rapid advancement in AI presents both exciting challenges and incredible possibilities, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. As AI continues to evolve, it's crucial to understand its implications and harness its potential for good, ensuring ethical considerations are at the forefront. By learning about AI, we can shape its development and ensure it benefits all of humanity, creating a future where technology serves everyone. The future is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence, transforming our cities and our lives. Are you ready to be a part of it? The journey into the AI-driven future starts now. The demand for AI professionals is skyrocketing, and it's showing no signs of slowing down. Companies across all industries are seeking individuals with AI skills to help them innovate, optimize, and stay ahead of the curve. From startups to multinational corporations, the need for AI expertise is universal. This surge in demand has created a lucrative job market for those with the right skill set. Job boards are flooded with AI-related positions, and recruiters are actively seeking out top talent. Whether you're interested in healthcare, finance, technology, or any other field, AI offers incredible career opportunities. The versatility of AI means you can apply your skills in virtually any sector. Data scientists, machine learning engineers, and AI researchers are among the highest-paying and most in-demand professions today. These roles are not only financially rewarding, but also intellectually stimulating. But it's not just about the high salaries. The sense of accomplishment and the potential for career growth are equally significant. A career in AI is also deeply rewarding. The collaborative environment and the opportunity to work with cutting-edge technology make it an exciting field to be in. You have the chance to work on cutting-edge projects that solve real-world problems. These projects can range from developing new medical technologies to creating innovative financial models. Imagine developing algorithms that diagnose diseases earlier, create personalized learning experiences, or mitigate the effects of climate change. The impact of your work can be far-reaching and transformative. By mastering AI skills, you're not just securing a promising career, you're gaining the power to make a positive impact on the world. Your expertise can drive innovation and contribute to solving some of the most pressing challenges of our time. Now that you understand the importance of AI, you might be wondering, where do I start? The journey into AI can seem daunting, but breaking it down into manageable steps makes it much more approachable. Every AI expert begins with a strong foundation in 3 key areas: mathematics, statistics, and programming. These disciplines are the building blocks that will support your understanding and application of AI technologies. Mathematics provides the language for understanding AI algorithms. It allows you to comprehend the underlying principles that drive machine learning models. Linear algebra, calculus, and probability are essential for grasping the concepts behind machine learning and deep learning. These mathematical tools help you understand how algorithms process data and make predictions. Statistics is crucial for analyzing and interpreting data. It enables you to draw meaningful insights from the data, which is a core aspect of AI. You'll need to understand concepts like hypothesis testing, regression analysis, and statistical significance to make sense of the data you're working with. These statistical methods allow you to validate your models and ensure their accuracy. Programming brings your AI ideas to life. It is the practical skill that allows you to implement and experiment with AI models. Python is the most popular programming language for AI development, thanks to its extensive libraries and frameworks designed specifically for machine learning tasks. Libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch make it easier to build and deploy AI models. These three pillars form the bedrock of your AI journey. They provide the essential knowledge and skills needed to navigate the complex world of artificial intelligence. Mastering them will equip you with the tools and knowledge to delve deeper into the world of artificial intelligence. With a solid foundation in math, statistics, and programming, you'll be well prepared to tackle advanced AI concepts and applications.